You're so adorable. Look at you. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. Goodness. I know. I'll give you some nuts in a second. I just need another hand. Oh. Yeah. Right. And here we have Silver.